Ever wondered why we get hiccups? These involuntary contractions occur when the diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe, suddenly spasms. This leads to a quick intake of air, causing the vocal cords to close suddenly, which creates that infamous hic sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, or even feeling excited. While they usually go away on their own, sipping water or holding your breath might help. Next time you get the hiccups, remember, it's just your body having a quirky moment.